Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to your another reading. My name is Ish, and in today's reading we are going to just read your current energies and see what guidance do you need on your current situations. If you want to book a one-on-one session with me, then the link for that is in the description box below. You can also DM me on Instagram and we will direct you towards the link through which you can book with us. You can choose and book your time slots according to your preferences. We are giving you the availability of different slots that we have, according to which you can book a session with us according to your availability, right? And if you have any concerns while booking the reading, you can either DM us on Instagram or you can chat with us on the same website. And yeah, without wasting any time, let's just get right into your today's reading. What does the person watching this need to know, Spirit? Okay, so we have number 27, justice is coming. So the hard work that you have done in order to move forward in your life, or the hard work that you have done in general, is about to pay off. So if you're worried about that, your hard work is about to pay off. Number 27, number 9, number 15, number 6 could be significant. Number 13, number 4 could be significant. Something lovely will grow from this. So if you have been putting in work about something, a work project or a relationship, then just know that the future of whatever you're putting in the efforts for is going to be beautiful. The future is going to be beautiful of whatever you have just started or you're about to begin, or something that you have been putting in the work in. The results are going to be amazing, right? Okay, so whatever the hard work that you have put in, whatever the tests and tribulations that you have gone through in your life, you have earned a gift, or you have earned an achievement from the divine, from the source, of not giving up. Because you did not give up, or no matter how the situation was, you have earned a benefit from the universe and you will soon benefit from that, right? Okay, we also have one more card at the bottom of the deck which talks about you can always rewrite the story. So if you feel like, but I am like too old for this, I'm too young for this, or this is like too late now, or this is too early to change or to expect something, or to like, come to a conclusion about something, but you are advised here to change and shift your life, your situation, your relationship, yourself, even as much as you want to, because this is your life and you have all the freedoms to do whatever you want, regardless of if it's too soon or if it's too late, or you're too young or you're too old. Doesn't matter. If you want to do it, you can do anything. Anything is possible for you. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Literally the 9 of Cups. Oh my goodness. There is a wish of yours that's coming true very, very, very soon. Whether, and this is something related to the hard work that you have been doing. Now, hard work also means if you have been patient with a person, if you have been patient with your work life, with your family, with your parents, with your life partner, if you have been patient about something, and if you're wondering what's up with my voice, I have throat infection, and that's why I'm just not able to speak. So like I wasn't able to speak, now I can speak, but my voice is still like icky. There is a wish of yours that's coming true very, very soon, and this wish is around something that you have been putting in efforts for. And this is actually going to make you feel really confident. Oh my god, 8 of Pentacles. You have been putting in work about something, whether it's a relationship or you're about to start working onto something, but I don't feel like you're going to start working or you're starting something new. I feel like you are getting the wish fulfillment of something where you have put in a lot of hard work. So whether it's a relationship or your career, your job, your business, take it how it resonates, and you are taking the control of your life finally. So everything is coming under your control, under your influence very, very soon, and everything is just going to like, Okay, I just heard that this everything is just going to set you apart from the crowd, apart from people around you, apart from everybody around you, apart from people in general. So this is something, maybe you're getting a promotion, or maybe you're moving somewhere else, and this is just going to like set you apart from a lot of people around you. Or for some of you, you're getting the scholarship. For some of you, you're just doing something or getting something which is going to set you apart from the rest, which is going to set you apart from the people around you. And people might stop talking to you, or a specific person might stop talking to you after this happens. But don't take that personally, because I think you're supposed to be separated from this person. Yeah, you're breaking free from a lot of toxic patterns and a lot of toxicity. Okay, so if you guys watched the short that I uploaded recently, I spoke about leaving the toxic patterns behind. So I feel like you guys are coming from the same energy. You guys are starting something fresh. Oh my god, the world, as I said that. Okay, I'll tell you something. What I do feel here is that you guys were always the different person in the group. You guys were always the different people in your environment. And maybe your journey was a little slower than the people around you. Or your journey was simply just a lot more different than the people around you. And people maybe underestimated you, people doubted you. And if they did not do that, then I think you yourself doubted yourself, because you used to compare yourself with the journey of others, and it just made you feel insecure. It just made you feel like, am I ever going to make in life? Am I even good enough? But this is your confirmation that yes, you are good enough, and the journey that you were taking, even though it was a little slower, even though it was a little different than the people around you, but what you are starting is, and what you are about to start and do in your life, is coming from authenticity, is coming from here, is coming from your heart space, is coming from, I am not following the crowd, I'm doing what I love, I'm doing what is best for me, even if it's taking longer, even if it's taking shorter than the other people, even if it feels easier or harder than what other people are doing, even if it feels a little different than what my parents expected or what I dreamt of as a kid. So, what is coming towards you, my collective, is a new beginning where your dreams are coming true, where your hard work is paying off, where everything is coming under your control, where you're leaving behind the toxicity. And kudos to you, because the universe wants to just like congratulate you, give you a high five, because you have learned a lot, because of your own dedication, because of your own hard work, and the success that's coming towards you is well deserved. So if somebody is trying to break your confidence, break your trust, and make you feel something less than what you are, just know that the universe is so much proud of you, and you don't need to listen to anybody else, right? What's coming towards you is a life that you desired for yourself authentically from the bottom of your heart, and you have worked hard for it. Now, if you're just somebody who is just like on the stage of, like, maybe just started looking for dreams, like if you're somebody who is just like had a thought or had a dream of changing and shifting your jobs and all that stuff, then this might not resonate with you, because this reading is for somebody who is like working a lot and worked a lot for a very long time, and now is the time when the success is coming towards you. Now, this is a very specific thing. For some of you, if your parents never accepted your partner, they will accept you, or something is about to happen in your family dynamics where your parents will start respecting your spouse a lot more than they did in the past. And for some of you, if you had like problems in your marriage, and if people like really looked down on you and your partner and your marriage and the choice that you made, this is also about to shift. And for some of you, if you're wondering like, I am not married but I am in a relationship, does this apply to me as well? Like, if the society, your friends and your parents are against your relationship, and if you're wondering if this is for you as well, then no. I am specifically strictly talking about marriages. If you are just in a relationship, then this is not for you. This is not for you. This is for the people who are like married to their spouse, to their life partner, right? So let's get into one more card. if we have any more messages coming up. Your passions are about to get fulfilled, is what I'm hearing. Your passions are about to come true. Your dreams are about to come true. Your investments are about to flourish. If you have children and if you're worried about them, don't be, because the universe will be providing for them, and they will, like, the universe will just unlock the doors through which your children are protected. Let's see. One card at a time, please. Meditation brings answer. If you are contemplating about making a decision, you are advised here to reconsider, because the answer is no. Also, we have don't stop. And once you don't give up on something, and even if it's a no right now, but if you don't stop and if you just like keep on working, the no will get converted into a yes. But right now it's a no. But trust and have faith. There is something better. Trust that there is something better, and that's why this is a no right now, because there is something better. And once that something better enters your life, you will understand why it was a no. Don't stop. Don't stop is coming out twice. Don't stop, don't give up, and meditation brings answer. Right? So I think that's all that I have for you guys for today. You can book a one-on-one session with me. You can book a personal reading with me through the link given in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram. The link for that is in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Sending you so much love and light. Bye bye.